Let's make Kinder Maxi King Cake. Hi, I'm Livka, and welcome to my little baking corner. Today, I'm making a delicious no-bake dessert inspired by the famous candy bar. It's incredibly easy to make, and the hardest part is waiting for it to chill. Here's everything you'll need. Pause the video right now and take a screenshot. Okay, so let's get started. First, arrange the first layer of tea biscuits on the bottom. If needed, trim a few biscuits so they fit the pan nicely. They have to cover the whole pan, just like that. In a bowl, mix about 3/5 of the dulce de leche with a pinch of salt. The salt balances the sweetness and makes the caramel flavor even richer. Spread the caramel evenly over the biscuits. Don't worry if some of the biscuits lift while you're spreading it. That's completely normal. Cover everything with a second layer of biscuits. If you are enjoying my content and you want to support me, you can buy me a coffee. Link is in my bio and description. Now it's time to make the cream. Pour 330 milliliters of heavy whipping cream into a large bowl and add the whipped cream stabilizer. Whip it for about 4 minutes until it becomes thick and fluffy. Adding vanilla sugar or extract is optional, though I highly recommend it. Add 500 grams of mascarpone. And powdered sugar. I like using 2 tablespoons, but you can adjust the sweetness to your own taste. Spread the mascarpone mixture evenly over the biscuit layer. You don't have to be perfect, because a biscuit layer will fix every imperfection. Now add the third and final layer of biscuits. Place the remaining dulce de leche into a small bowl. Add another pinch of salt and mix it well. Spread it evenly over the top of the cake. Finally, roughly chop 3 handfuls of hazelnuts and sprinkle them generously over the top. And that's it. For the best flavor and texture, let the cake chill in the refrigerator overnight before serving. Thank you so much for baking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy dessert recipes. You can also check out my shorts for more quick baking inspiration. See you in the next one. Bye.